When it comes to fall, one flavor always takes center stage. So in today's Trend Alert, we're bringing you some of the best pumpkin spice sweets and treats hitting store shelves this season. And as Studio 5 Trend Tracker Mindy Dunyon points out, you don't have to pull out your recipe books to sample any one of these festive foods. It seems the pumpkin fever, if you will, has been building the last few years. And would you agree this year it's like totally over the top?
It's totally over the top. But if you love this pumpkin spice flavor, then you're lucky, because anywhere you go, you can find it.
Here's the thing, it's creeping into so many different foods that I find myself questioning, do I really like it that much? But I love fall, so I'm willing to try.
Right, and I tasted and tested all of these samples today.
Are you pumpkined out?
Well, not yet.
Okay.
And I mean, I'll admit, I can't have a huge dose of each one of these things.
Yeah.
But every single one of these I would recommend.
We're starting with your morning meal. Cereals have gotten a makeover.
Okay, so Cheerios came out last year with this pumpkin spice flavor, and I think it was really popular because other cereal brands are starting to jump on board. My favorite one right now is the Pumpkin Spice Life.
Okay.
So it's really subtle. It's not so in-your-face pumpkin spice. It almost takes like the aftertaste to even realize what you're tasting. But that's really good. And then Special K has a pumpkin spice flavor. There's even granola. So if you go to Target, they have this huge display that's just right up front of all, it's like 2 full racks of pumpkin spice treats and foods. And this is one of them. And I really like this granola. It's so good.
So remember a couple of weeks ago when one of our favorite foodies, Amy Richardson, came on the show and did that cereal bar? I've been trying to get creative with my cereals. So I have the pumpkin spice Cheerios in my pantry, and I maybe gave it a little maple drizzle before I poured the milk.
Fancy.
I know, it was amazing.
It really was?
It was amazing.
I'm going to try that today.
I'm a fan.
For sure.
All right, is this milk?
Yeah, well, this is a smoothie. So Lifeway has these smoothies, and they usually have them in all different flavors. But right now, just as a limited edition for fall, they have the pumpkin spice smoothies. So you can just drink this straight. You can blend this into your smoothies, however you like it.
It's like the Greek yogurt smoothie.
Isn't it? So I really like that. That's just to add to your breakfast routine or just a little snack in the day.
I wasn't expecting tart. Okay, bread?
Yes, so we don't have to go and make our pumpkin bread. Pepperidge Farm has a limited edition, again, pumpkin spice bread. So you don't have to pull out any recipe cards. Just grab that and it'll look like you made it.
Is this new, or have we seen pumpkin Oreos before?
I have not seen these, but I don't know for sure if these are brand new. But this is the first time I've had these. And my kids thought they looked really gross because just the orange in the middle.
It's not an appetizing
color. But they're so good. So again, I don't feel like the Oreo pumpkin spice is too overwhelming.
Oh, these are good.
Yeah, it's just a little faint taste of that pumpkin spice.
These are good. Other cookie brands jumping on board?
Yep, so the Pepperidge Farm has these pumpkin cheesecake cookies that are really good. These are like really, really dense and just thick and good.
All right, 30 seconds left if we want to snack them.
Okay, these are probably my favorites. I love the Archer Farm pumpkin spice pretzels, again, in that front little area of Target if you go there. You'll also find the hot cocoa mix there.
Oh, that would be good.
It's amazing. We should have tested some here today. We'll try it after the show.
Okay.
And then Lisa's Passion for Popcorn, it's in Kaysville, and they come out with the pumpkin spice flavor at Halloween and, well, in the fall. This is really, really good. I love it. Again, it's not too overwhelming.
Look at the bright colors. That's so fun. And that Oreo made my day. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Look for the link to all of these pumpkin products on our website.